Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word subatomic. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Scientists study subatomic particles, such as electrons, protons, and neutrons, to better understand the building blocks of matter. Subatomic refers to particles that are smaller than an atom, such as electrons, protons, and neutrons, which are fundamental components of matter. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.